In ENVISION, you can animate the sun and sky to produce a time-lapse effect. Let's explore how to do that using environment variations. Start by opening the Environment panel, where you'll find the sun settings. Here, you can adjust the sun's position using either azimuth and altitude or geolocation. Choose whichever works best for you. In this example, we'll use azimuth and altitude to set the sun's starting position. You can also enable clouds to enhance the atmosphere. Now, go to the Environment Variations panel and create a new variation. Then, create a second one and adjust the altitude again. Set it to a low degree to simulate a sunset. You can also animate the longitude offset of the clouds. Once you're happy with the settings, apply them. Next, drag and drop the first variation into the timeline, followed by the second one. The light gray area is the animation itself. Adjust it to the desired length. That's it! Press play to preview the animated result.